Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be Chanel you guys up on this bomb hair that I have on today. So if you're looking for a cute, gorgeous, straight hair for the fall time, for Thanksgiving, this gives very much so like natural vibes, but natural and glamorous at the same time. So if you need to know more specs and details about her, then go ahead and keep on watching.
That's good.
Alright guys, jumping straight into it, the hair that I have in right now is by Allove hair. So this is how the packaging looks. It was super simple packaging. Shipping was pretty fast. It got to me within 3 business days, so that is a plus. I want to say this is the second time me reviewing hair from them, so I want to say shipping usually ranges from 3 to 5 business days, and that's typically the normal range for all of them, which is super spot on. Their customer service was great so far, so good, no concerns at all. And as far as the hair, you guys, which is the main concern for me, the hair is amazing. I love the hair. Now I did get this in a 150 density just because I didn't want it to be too much and not too little. With fall hairstyles, I tend to reach over for more like a natural glamorous feel because there's so much colors and I love to rock the colors. Why not, you know, have like a soft, glamorous, not too full type look? And that's the looks I usually like aim for the fall, or I aim for like a curly or wavy hair. This texture is natural straight, you guys. I do have a clip on how it looks like straight out the package. I do have in 22 inches and it is just about 22 inches. Let me give you guys like a 360 spin real quick. Alright you guys, so that's exactly how it looks like from 360. Again, you guys, if you didn't catch it on, like I said earlier, I did get a 150 density. The color that it came in was like a natural brown. I did dye it to like a natural black, like a 1B. So yeah, I used the Adore hair dye in the color 118 off black, and I went ahead and dyed it. I did bleach my knots, you guys. Yeah, so I do have in a lace front wig, you guys, which means you're getting lace from ear to ear, and the parting space is just amazing. While I'm styling the hair, I did show you guys how the parting space look like. Super amazing, look like skin. I didn't have no problems at all with it. I didn't have no shedding, I didn't have no tangling. I didn't have essentially nothing. There's no downsides to this hair at all. I feel like everybody would enjoy this wig. This wig is super cute. You're definitely gonna want to know how to play with her if you're gonna get her in the density that I got her in, because if you style her a certain way, it's gonna look too thin. But there's no worries at all if that's something that you possibly may have to worry about. Allove hair do offer, you know, different densities for their units, so you definitely want to go ahead and check that out on their site. The link is definitely down below on the top of the description buttons. Direct links to this wig is on the top of the description button, you guys, so you can click on over to go ahead and check that out and check out all the different options to make this wig your very own. As far as the parting, you guys, love it, love it, love it. Lace was amazing. I feel like the lace was a little bit too light for my skin tone, for my girls that are like dark like me. But however, what I did was I just applied some of my makeup and I made it work. So if you're not familiar and this is the first first time you're here with me, hi, my name is Chanel again. I do have like step-by-step tutorials on how to go ahead and achieve such like parting space, cutting lace, you know, baby hairs and all that jazz down below, and I give you guys step-by-step tutorials on how to do such. If you're like, hey Chanel, I don't trust myself that much to go ahead and do so, I definitely would advise you go ahead and seek professional help, and I'm pretty sure they can go ahead and hook you up with this gorgeous wig right here, you guys. So other than that, y'all, I love her. I think it's super easy to style. As you guys can see, I showed you guys how it looked straight and how it looked like with the waves, and yeah, just super easy. Again, with the curling barrel, I always use this curling barrel, super inexpensive. It's crazy how I fell in love with this curling barrel because it was honestly just a quick, short replacement. And I fell in love with this curling barrel right here that I'm using while styling this hair. And it's called Xtavia. $24, you guys. Super inexpensive. I got it on Amazon. It came to me like literally in the next day. If you have Amazon Prime, link is down below. Definitely pick it up because she is definitely bomb. Love her. And they do have other size if you don't want the size that I got. Yeah, it's a win-win situation, sis. If you ask me if you need like a curling barrel, super inexpensive, that does the job and does the job well, I may say, go ahead and click the link down below, you guys, and pick her up because she's bomb. And as well as this bomb hair, you guys, Allove did amazing on this wig right here. This wig is super glamorous, super natural, super like, I'm not doing too much, but I'm not doing too little, and I'm here. Okay, so this is something that I can really picture myself on the Thanksgiving table, like, hey y'all, or like you know, this the family gets together before the Thanksgiving then and it's like, hey, like I'm here and I came to break necks. So yeah, I love her. I think they did amazing. You guys smash the like buttons if you love her so far. Again, let me know any thoughts or concerns, or what are some things that you guys would like to see from me. And let me know down below, because I know this, you know, the holidays here, and since you need a wig, and I'm here to show you what's the best of the best, where you don't need to spend your coins and where you need to spend your coins. So go ahead and like this video right now if you're loving her. Go ahead and pick her up right now. If you're like, sis, I got to have her, the link is on the top of the description button, you guys.